Well, hello everyone. I'm out here in the storm, and as you see, the windmill is blowing because there is a lot of wind going, and there is my beautiful fountains, and I just added another new fountain over there, and well, I'm not going to paint that fountain, and you can hear the wind. Oh, whoa! I just seen the lightning just now. I don't know if you've seen it. Whoa! I better be careful there. Uh-oh. Whoa! Did you hear that? I want you to hear that. Boy, we're really having a storm out here in Oaktown, Oakland, California, USA. You guys take care. Oh boy, that was really a sound one, huh? The lightning and then the thunder. All right. I just thought I'd take this video with my new camera. Uh-oh, there goes an alarm. There's the wind. And the trees are blowing over here. Better be careful. The lightning don't strike me. And back to the beauty over here. And that wind